Where Mama go? Where Mama going? Mama is going. You want to sit? You want to come along? No? Coming with Mama to Abu Dhabi? Yeah, what to pick? What to buy? This one. Okay, Mama has this one. This one?
Yes, Gingy is approving of it.
I'm going into the machine now. Don't miss it. He's waiting. Mama is cookie dough. Mama got me soon, Juno, okay? Mama's little baby. You take care of your brother, okay?
I have goodie bags. I was checking this out. I love these chairs. Can I like take them home? Look at them. It looks like it's handmade. It's beautiful. Yeah. Oh, from Warner Brothers. See what we got. My favorites, Tom and Jerry. I've got Tom and Jerry. And they're like those squishy balls, stress balls. You need one. What else? What else? There is a little bag, a shopping bag, jute bag from Yas Island, and they also have a note here. Dear Eka, we wish you an enjoyable stay on Yas Island. Team Yas Island. So, there's more. They've given me this amazing keychain. They've given you also, by the way. Look. See? And then we have my new chai mug. And then, what's this? What is this? I thought it was a charger, but okay, it says recharge your phone to follow the latest trend. Any guesses what it is?
Is that a wireless charger?
That's what. Oh yeah. So I have. So this charges all phones or only iPhones?
No, iPhones maybe.
I don't know. Let's check. iPhones, I know for sure it'll charge, but I don't know if it'll charge other phones.
Depends if you're...
Is there a USB connection anywhere? Oh no. What is this? HDMI. What is? Oh my god. That looks so. Okay, so we don't have a USB connection here. We'll have to put it on your adapter, but. Look at their room. So like completely. I have not seen such spacious houses also in Dubai, to be honest. ये hotel का room में जो इतना spacious है. And look at the flooring. It moreover looks like, you know, a luxury apartment, na? More than like a hotel suite. So it gives you the feel of home. Home away from home with luxury. Have you been to hotels where they have had a humongous walk-in wardrobe? You're actually standing in it right now. Pan. This is a walk-in wardrobe and they have like nice little drawers here. You put your luggage in there. So this is for everyone who loves to dress up and loves to have different kinds of outfits to wear during the entire trip. You put all your outfits here, put your accessories there or whatever, and they have a plug here so you can sit here and get ready. The only thing missing is actually makeup lights. Otherwise, everything is perfect for us to get ready in here. So I think to get ready makeup wise, there is provision for that as well, which is here. How do I switch this on? Where are the lights to this? Amber?
Yes.
Where are the lights to this? How do I switch this on? No? Hi. Oh yeah. See? We do our makeup here. This is where I'll have my beauty baths in this bathtub because I so love tubs and I love my beauty baths. And then we have his and her wash basins and a humongous shower area again, good enough for me to dance and la la. I will be doing my la la la, all of that in here. And yes, then it's time to go and check out the bed. And the most important part of this is to check the bed. Yeah! Oh! Okay, not as soft as I thought it would be. It's not bad though, but it's just not the one I thought it would be. I thought I would be diving into a nice cozy mattress. Ay, ay, ay. And yes! And that's the marina side of Abu Dhabi. So pretty. It's just a little hot. By evening, I think everything should be fine. Yacht pe jana hai? Where's the light switch? What's WC light? White light. Just WC light. Nothing switched on. Did you put the masters off? Dhunda! Khadi ho tum.
What is that like?
This also says WC, which I think is this. WC is this. Curtains open, close. Okay, that's it. Masters on bedroom. See, you put the bedroom light off. But what is now? I want to see when that is switched on. What is WC light?
This light, but you have to move it.
Oh, there. That's WC light. Hey, that's not WC light. See?
Oh.
What light is this? Okay, but I still got what I wanted. Place to get ready. Oh, kitty. So now I think we have to get ready for Warner Brothers. So we need to get ready. I don't know what to wear. I have to open my pitara and look at what I have to wear. Warner Brothers, it'll be a colorful place, right?
Yes.
So I can wear that white wala, that white top with denim. So
This with the denim, yeah.
did you put that in? No, I didn't.
Yeah.
But yeah, this with this. What time do we have to leave? So this is what Amber travels with.
It's okay.
This
I have everything.
is in her bag all the time.
Yes.
This.
I have all my chargers.
I'll show you something.
What?
See here. 2 more.
It's okay.
2
At least I am prepared.
and outside also there are more.
I am prepared if it's not there. It's okay.
Oh my god. Just imagine if she does this outside, घर पे क्या करती होगी? What to see? आई तो यहाँ यहीं पे आई ना? Finally.
Oh,
See?
there. Now.
Now put your iPhone. Your cover is. Oi, you have this charging wala cover.
Yeah. Oh,
There.
there.
Where you have any other? वो Vivo वाला phone का है? I want to see if that charges.
It does?
Yeah.
For all?
Yeah. See, charging 73%.
Cool.
So it's for all. It's not only for iPhone. Black or white?
Where and see now?
I'll go dead and see. Nah. Oh, there's socks in.
Oh. I like black better. Actually, no, white better. Yeah. Actually,
Both are not going perfectly well with my outfit, but I have no option at this point.
it looks good.
What is this? Oh, मुझे लगा कवर्ड था. It's the mini bar. Come. It's the mini bar. I've never seen anyone give it like the shaker. They have a shaker also here.
Nice mini.
Yeah, it's a very fancy mini bar. Oh, they have playing cards also. You know how to play cards? Anyone know how to play cards?
Not me.
What do we need? Do I need this?
I don't know, but just in case, I need this because
Do we need the Emirates ID or something?
keep it with you.
I don't want to carry the wallet.
Give it to me. I'll put it in my purse.
Very responsible person.
I'm carrying my bag.
See, that's why I tell you put your cards in your phone.
My card is in my phone actually.
Then why are you taking your
I
wallet?
don't need it. Okay. Cool. Then I'll keep it. So I'll keep your wallet there.
I don't take my wallet.
Keep it in your bag then.
My bag is next to you. Why are you bringing it to me? She's a confused soul. She doesn't know what is happening right now. Amber, do you need food or do you need sleep? Food, yeah, even I need food. We need to go. Okay, so we can't be filming around, not in, but around the hotel because it's privacy, and here in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, UAE in general, privacy is the uttermost priority of people, and hence we will only be filming in places that we can and we are allowed to. Okay, now you know your way out. This side. You. What? What is that? Look at that.
That's a taxi.
Look at that. That's a driverless.
Driverless taxi. Yeah.
Wow. It goes that slow that. Yeah, I can see a steering wheel there, but there is a guy.
Also, I can see a head.
But no one's driving. I can't see hands on it.
Yeah.
उसके आगे जाओ. ये देखना है कि क्या है ये. Yeah, no one's driving. It's a driverless one. Oh my god, we've only watched these things in movies. So basically, everything is very close to the hotel.
Within 10 minutes radius, everything is right.
That's so cool.
Nothing is far. Ferrari World is right.
Right
now.
here.
The
So good.
Formula 1 यहीं पे होता है, and then
हाँ.
there's one more place जहाँ Formula 1 होता है.
And where is
Marina
now?
Circuit.
I can see this
Warner
humongous.
Brothers, I think, straight and left. Remember we came last time for iPhone. We had seen that. Water World के बराबर में था.
This was like what 10 odd years ago when I had gone to Bahrain. That's when we had gone for this vintage car show.
हाँ.
और वहाँ पे उनका Formula 1 भी चल रहा था साथ में. So that's where I saw that. That is the first time I experienced it going. Oh, that
Sound.
rush that you get hearing that sound and those engines.
Yes.
After that, I have not really gone and sat down and experienced a Formula 1 race or something.
No, it's amazing.
See that's Ferrari World. That's where we are going next.
And that's the crazy roller coaster.
This is the world's fastest roller coaster, right?
This one. And Warner Brothers right there.
No, I can see Warner Brothers. Here it is. Oh my god, it's like going back into my childhood days. I can see Flintstone, Scooby-Doo.
Yeah, Tom.
Where's Tom? Oh, there. Tom is there. That's my favorite.
And Jerry running with the cheese.
See, I'm always Jerry. I need to find a Tom. Kasim's there. We are both of us are Jerrys. Actually, he's a Tom because he annoys me. Actually, we have role reversals at times. I am fungry.
You want to?
Do you know the meaning of fungry? That's my made-up word. Yes.
Or do you want to start with lunch
Fun
first?
and food
hungry?
together.
Fungry.
Hungry for fun and hungry for food. Fungry. This is a new one, no? SeaWorld. This is where we're going also.
Yes.
Oh, amazing. Is this what it looks like inside?
Yes.
Oh, there is right next to Wonder Woman is Superman. My two favorites. Not very fond of Batman. Iron Man is another one that I like. It's like, what is that called? Yeah, Walk of Fame. This is coming from here. Did you wear sunscreen? We got our fast tags. Oh, they're green lantern. Look at the color of the sky and all. Let's go check. I'm very bhukka hungry indeed. Okay. Oh! They've locked me in. Oh God!